In this video, we're going to see how gold, one of the most valuable metals on Earth, is refined from raw rock into the pure bars you see in banks and jewelry stores. We'll break down each stage step by step, from crushing and melting to the moment it shines in its final form. And this is how we're going to accomplish that, by following the real journey of gold through fire, acid, and precision, until it becomes one of the world's most desired treasures. It begins with raw gold ore, dull and rocky, hauled from deep underground. To the untrained eye, it looks like ordinary stone, but hidden inside are tiny particles of gold, waiting to be released. Massive steel crushers grind the ore down to fine powder. The sound is thunderous rock smashing against metal. Conveyor belts carry the dust to rotating drums where water and chemicals are added, forming a thick slurry. In the slurry, chemistry takes control. Cyanide binds with gold particles, pulling them from the surrounding rock. It's a delicate balance, too little, and gold stays trapped, too much, and the reaction turns dangerous. Sensors and gauges monitor the mixture continuously. The liquid gold is invisible but potent, suspended in the milky solution. Next, the solution moves to carbon tanks. Black granules of activated carbon attract the gold like tiny magnets. The carbon darkens as it fills with metal. Workers stir the tanks slowly, ensuring every particle of gold finds its place. Minute by minute, gold transfers from solution to carbon, leaving clear liquid behind. The gold-laden carbon is then heated in a furnace. Flames roar, smoke rises, and the gold detaches from the carbon as dense molten metal. It's the first moment the gold becomes visible. The orange glow contrasts against the dark metallic room. Workers in heat-resistant suits tilt crucibles, guiding streams of molten gold into molds. These molds produce doré bars rough, unpolished, and still containing impurities. They're heavy, awkward, and dull compared to the polished bars we recognize. To remove remaining silver, copper, and other metals, the bars are sent to the refining section. Here, the process becomes precise, almost surgical. The doré is dissolved in acid baths. Fumes rise as nitric and hydrochloric acids work together to separate gold from other metals. Inside sealed tanks, the gold atoms break free, forming a bright orange liquid. Every step is carefully timed. Any error risks losing value. The solution is then filtered to remove solid residues, leaving a clear gold-bearing liquid. Electrolytic cells follow. Gold reforms atom by atom onto steel cathodes. The current hums steadily, and gold begins to coat the metal like frost on a window. Minute particles become visible, forming a dense layer. Technicians monitor the process, ensuring nothing interferes with deposition. When complete, the plated metal is removed, rinsed, and burned. Flames consume the residue, leaving fine, concentrated gold powder. That powder undergoes the final melt. Crucibles heated until molten, flames reflecting off every curve. Slag rises to the surface, impurities skimmed off with carbon rods. The molten metal flows into molds, transforming into solid bars as it cools. Steam rises, the air shimmers, and the bars harden into gold, heavier than most can imagine. Each bar is inspected carefully. Any imperfection is corrected immediately. X-ray fluorescence scanners verify purity. 99.99% is the target, the standard for trade. A single bar falling short is remelted and refined again. Nothing leaves the refinery without meeting that standard. Workers polish, weigh, and stamp each bar with serial numbers and purity markings. They move carefully, almost reverently. Forklifts transport the gold to vaults, stacked meticulously. The sound of bars touching is deep, heavy, satisfying. Each pallet represents millions of dollars. Throughout the refinery, the rhythm is precise. Machines hum, furnaces glow, and every motion is deliberate. From crushing ore to chemical baths, from molten gold to solid bars, the process is continuous and exacting. No step is wasted, no action unnecessary. Every gram of gold passes through multiple transformations before reaching perfection. The final bars are not just metal, they are concentrated history. Every atom inside predates Earth, forged in stars. Human hands refine what nature created billions of years ago, turning it into tangible treasure. That combination of time, science, and skill gives gold its value, its appeal, and its mystique. Imagine the moment a worker lifts a fresh bar from its mold. The weight is undeniable, the glow mesmerizing. What was once dirt and dust has transformed through crushing, chemistry, and fire into something universally desired. Each step demanded patience, knowledge, and precision. From a ton of ore, only a few grams emerge as pure metal, a small but extraordinary reward for careful work. Gold refining is more than a process. It's a disciplined choreography of machines and people, chemistry and fire. One misstep, and purity is lost. One careful action, and a bar achieves perfection. The final product is beautiful, yes, but also a testament to the mastery required at every stage. From the dark tunnels where ore is mined to the furnaces and baths of the refinery, gold's journey is long and exacting. Each bar that cools in a mold is a story of chemistry, of skill, of history. It represents controlled destruction and meticulous creation. And in the hands of workers, molten metal becomes a solid symbol of human ingenuity. Every bar is recorded, logged, and sealed. Serial numbers track them across the globe. This traceability ensures authenticity, building trust for banks, jewelers, and nations alike. Precision doesn't stop at refining. It continues through handling and transport. The value of gold is preserved not just in its atomic purity, but in the careful management from start to finish. Yet even in its polished form, gold reminds us of its origins. From crushed rock to glowing liquid, from chemical baths to solid perfection, each step is a controlled miracle. It carries the story of earth and sky, of human ingenuity and cosmic history. A bar of gold is tangible proof of transformation, a reward for discipline, patience, and precision. The journey of gold is a lesson in mastery. From the moment ore enters the crusher until the bars are stacked in vaults, each step tests the limits of science and human control. Molten metal, electric currents, chemical reactions, and heat all combine in perfect balance. Every operator, every sensor, every process contributes to the final brilliance. And when the bar finally rests in the vault, cooled and perfect, it's more than money. It's history, science, and skill made tangible. It is the reward of order over chaos, of careful planning over randomness. Gold doesn't simply exist. It is earned, refined, and proven. From the dusty rock beneath the earth, to the glowing molten streams inside furnaces, to the polished, stamped bars, this is the complete story. Step by step, action by action, impurity is removed, and perfection emerges. Gold is a product of chemistry, fire, patience, and human ingenuity, distilled into every bar that leaves the refinery. If you enjoyed seeing how gold is refined to perfection, hit subscribe and stay tuned because the next journey behind creation is already heating up.